Hi everyone, Billy here with Trade Winds Travel. Well, I don't know where you live, but where I live, it is freezing outside. And so I'm making some hot cocoa. And I want to show you how I make my hot cocoa. So the first thing I do is I take a fourth a cup, a little bit more, and I use the dark Dutch processed cocoa, a fourth a cup of sugar, and I take espresso powder, and I take just a hair of espresso powder because I don't want it to taste like coffee. I want it to taste like cocoa, but that espresso powder just kicks the chocolate up a little bit. And to that, you take 1/3 cup of hot water and mix this up, sort of make a little slurry out of it, because that's the only way that all of this cocoa will mix in. If you try and just put it into milk or cream, it won't work. Just drink that right there, like that. So, take this and put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes to let it boil. So I'll watch it and I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, it was boiling. Now get in there really good because you might have some pockets of cocoa powder, and with the glass container you can really tell where that is. Yeah, see that? So we need to get all that stirred back up in there. All right, then we take this. Now I've got 4 cups of half and half. You can use milk or you can use heavy cream. I think heavy cream might be a bit much, but 4 cups of half and half, and I've heated that. And now I'm going to pour this into there, and we're going to get all of that out. Mix that all together, and then I'm going to use this little special tool that someone gave me. I love this little thing. This will sort of froth things up a little bit. It's like a handheld immersion blender. Okay, we've got it all frothed up. Now for the most important event, the vanilla. And this is our favorite Mexican vanilla, Los Cinco Soles. You can get that in Cozumel, it's great. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon or so in there. Get that all mixed up. And put this back in the microwave to get it good and hot. So when it's hot, we'll take it out. All right, let's give this a try. Oh yeah, this is hot. Like to see how dark it is? Now let's pour some into my cup. Now, I wish I had some whipped cream or some marshmallows to put on it. That would make it even better, but it's just too cold to go out and get some. So let's see what we have here. Folks, that is so much better than the powder stuff that you put in a cup and add water to it. So try this hot chocolate for your cold nights that if you haven't had them yet, I'm sure you will before the winter is up. So until next time, happy travels.